some other cool green screen things you can do. This time what I'm going to do, I'm going to start out in Keynote, and I'm going to create a text box, and let's choose a font that's quite thick. Impact is a good one for this. And let's make it quite big. Oh, there we go, that's pretty good. Now I'm going to, with this, I'm going to change the color of this to sort of a green, this green, bright green. And let's export this as an image. And that's fine. Okay, we have a name there, put that to the desktop, that's fine. So we're going to export this picture. Now, let's go and find that. There it is. I'm going to drag it into here. I'm just going to put it on top. Now, with this, when you drag in a picture, it uses Ken Burns. I'm just going to go fit so it doesn't move at all. And you'll see that's what's going to play, because the default when you come here is the default is to cut away. If I change it to green screen, what's going to happen is whatever's green, it's going to play whatever's behind there. So now you can see whatever's behind there, which I think is kind of cool. And if I put this over a movie, whatever's in that movie behind there will play. You can see that lizard in there. It's kind of a neat effect. So, and because it's an image, you can make it longer. You can stretch it out. You can try that. Let's take that one step further. So in here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to animate. And I'm going to animate this text, and it's going to be a build-in. Let's try fly in is a good one for this. Wow, that came in really fast. I'm going to start from the right, and I'm going to, 1 second is way too fast. Let's try 5 seconds. Let's see what that might look like. Oh, I think that's going to work really well. Let's go and export this. This time, instead of being an image, we're going to export this as a movie. And I don't need any transitions here. Go to the next slide. We don't need any of this, but let's just self-play and export. And again, desktop is fine. Okay, let's put that there. So now it's going to create a movie with that animation in it. And let's see how that plays over top of what we're doing. So let's go back to our movie here. Let's get rid of this one. And you can see we have that lizard there walking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that second title here. Now this is, again, this is a movie. So I'm going to put this on top of this. There we go. And let's take a look. Now, actually, it doesn't start until over here. So maybe what I'll do is I'm just gonna go Command B, blade, and just delete this first part. And let's try moving this up a bit. And again, it's just gonna play this until I go to change this to blue screen. And now when I press play, it's gonna play the video behind it. You're gonna see that video coming through behind it. Thing to note, as you'll see, sometimes it's not quite coming through very well. I can look at this color here. You can just click up here. Sometimes that softness slider works, but other times you can use the eraser. So I'm going to go in here and just erase that color in there. Now I can really see that color coming through. And when I play this, I can see that you can see what's going on here with that monitor lizard in the background going through. So highly recommend using green screen. Really effective, really easy.